Yellow, 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 yellow. We are here to have some fun. We are here. Hey, welcome to the channel. We're here to have some fun while styling this bandana, that bandana like Tupac. We'll be focusing on the Tupac bandana tutorial. Yeah, you had me right. Yeah. So like this video, share it out, comment down below, and make sure that you subscribe. You can also follow me and talk to me via my socials at Maureen, at Miss Maureen, and make sure that you watch every part of this video. Ask me why. Just watch to discover. Yeah, I will even mention it. Let's just grab that bandana now. Ouch. Not that hard. So we'll pick your bandana like this. Place it on a flat surface or just do it on air like me, like this. Or if you have flat surface, just, and I'm not flat, not that flat. So let's do this together. How to style a bandana for any occasion, for any event. So have a bandana like this, pick one tip, remember we have two tips, and then rotate it like that. Pick it, rotate it like that, and then from this tip, seem like you're dropping it down like that to form such kind of shape. And then fold it again. Take this tip to fold, you take this tip and then take it down like that, so have something like that. And then, oh, have you noticed I'm doing it on the inside out? And guys, I've always told you about doing this thing inside out. You don't want the inner, what I'll call the inner sewings being seen all over when you're showing or when you're walking out or rocking that style. So in this particular style, actually you can do it in different ways. You can make sure that your hair is held and just place your hair towards the back in a manner that it cannot disturb you. You can always leave some at the front. I always feel like that style. YOLO, you only live with you. To have some fun. Is it just me, or there's sometimes you just even don't know the lyrics to the song but you're singing, as long as you can hear the beat and you're singing? With that, please like this video, share it out as we continue. Hey guys, can I sing? Let me compose a song for you from the YouTube, babe, from me to you. Just watch my videos. And let's engage together. Yeah, I've already started doing the isukuti, the traditional dances. Watch my videos. Anyway guys, let's continue. I told you this place, we're just here. Have some fun. That is the part that matters most, and learn different tutorials, right? So where were we? I had done it inside out, so we have to redo that. We're turning, rotating, forming something like that, and then folding it to this end like that, and then picking this tip and then fold. I don't know if you can see the tip, right? This tip and then folding it. Yeah. To have something like that. Okay, and then the other one, like, you fold again. But if you have lots of hair, you can actually just leave it there and then fold just a little bit. Okay, or we do not have so much hair like mine today, guys. You notice how my hair, okay, no, off topic again. Okay, So right there up to there. Okay, but there's something I want you to ensure. You see this thing I told you, watch to the very end to watch every detail. We want this detail to remain like that. If you're using this type of bandana, that is, we have different types of bandana. This is called the patterned bandana. Did you know that? Did you know that? Tell me in the comment section. So the next thing is placing it on our head. Dudum, 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 dudum. I placed it wrongly. So it's like this. You take this, and these sides, the ones I'm talking about, we want them at the back. So don't place it the other way, like this. But actually, when that it looks amazing, I think we should place it like that. So I've noticed I folded it into a very small, tiny size. So I should just add a little bit because we want this thing to cover from here, you see here, especially for someone like me, the beautiful forehead, the reflection of the future. From here to somewhere here to somewhere almost at the center of the head. So I'll have to like reduce it, and the reducing it at the adjustment will come all the way from here. This one I'll not let it get to the tip. I'll just pull it a little bit like that, and then this one I'll just fold it like that, just small area. So then I place it. Now in this case I'll do it the other way, so that the bigger part is like that. So I place it there, a little bit more. You need a little bit more. Make it a little bit bigger and fold there. Then hold it like this, and then place it right there, like that. In a manner that when someone is looking at you from the front like this, they cannot see your hair here. That is the goal, okay? Okay, then from this side, now make a knot at the back. You can do 2 knots below the hair depending on your hair, okay? Or if you do not even have hair, then much better, much easier for you. We want our ears out. Say no more. Just like this video on how to style a bandana easily, detailed, step by step, beginner friendly, like a pro. Name them all. And also like this video, share it out, leave a comment down below, just tell me something. We've done so many bandana tutorials, so many, and you should check them out in my playlist, or you can just scroll down and check the one that you love the most. And you can always talk to me about my socials at Hombere Maureen. Oh my goodness, it's simple. Actually, this one is amazing. I like it. I actually love it. So at the back, it's like that. So what if you made the notes below the hair? There's no much difference, because told you the person at the front should not see your hair. The person at the front should not see your hair here. But if you tell her yellow, you only live once, so have some fun. So watch my videos right here. Make sure that you share them. Tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel. Why are you not telling people that there's the YouTube lib right here with the best tutorials ever? Please do so. Watch my other videos. Just click on the one that you're seeing. Or just go to my playlist and make sure that you subscribe. See you on the next update. Your love, you only live once, yeah. Dun, 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 dun.